পৰম শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ বিহুপ্ৰেমী ৰাইজ, নবহাগৰ এই ক্ষণত সকলো ৰাইজলৈ
Good morning. Today we are doing chapter exercise 2.4 class 8. Okay, linear equation. Exercise 2.4. Question number 1. Anima thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? That means we have to find the number. Okay, how to find the number? You see, we don't know what is the number she thought, so we'll take let the number be x. We are taking x. Now by question part, by question or according to question. Okay, try to understand very carefully. Anima thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it given. So this is the number, from it she subtracted 5 by 2. After that again given, she multiplies the result by 8. This is the result, she multiply it by what? 8. And the result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought. She thought the number x, so 3 times, that means 3x. Okay, now multiply it and solve it. 8 into x, 8x minus 8 5 is 40 by 2 equal to 3x. Cancel 2 2 is 4, 20 times. 8x minus 20 equal to 3x. Now we have to solve, we have to find the value of x. So x you bring the left side, constant term you transfer to the right side. 8x this plus 3x in the right side, if you bring the left side it will become minus 3x. Constant term, it is minus 20 in the left side, if you transfer to the right it will become positive 20. Okay, minus, that's the plus. 8 minus 3 is 5x. This is greater as a positive, equal to 20. Implies x equal to 20 by 5. 5 4 is 20. 5 4 is 20. Okay, if you transfer this 5 on the right side, it is into this side. If you transfer the right to the right, it will become divide. Okay, so 5 4 is 20. All right, so x equal to, we got 4. So what is the number she thought? Therefore the required number Anima thought, Anima thought equal to 4. Okay, question number 2. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? That means we have to find the numbers. We don't know what are the numbers. Solution. How to solve? You see. Solution. We don't know what are the numbers, so we'll take let one number be x. Therefore the other number equal to, it is given a positive number is 5 times another number. Okay, so this is one number, so other number will be 5 into x, 5x. That means clear. It is given if 21 is added to both the numbers. So if 21 is added to both the numbers, then the new numbers are, and the new numbers are here 821, x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. These are the two new numbers. After that, by question or according to question. Okay, by question part. If 21 is added to both the number, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. Okay, so it is given this new number 5x plus 21 is equal to twice given. Twice means two times. 2 into x plus 21 given. Alright, twice the another number. Now solve it. 5x plus 21, 2 into x twice x plus 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. We have to solve it. So x if you bring the left side, constant term will transfer to the right side. 5x, this x is positive on the right side. If you bring the left side, it will become minus twice x. 42, this constant term 21 is positive on the left side. If you transfer to the right, it will become minus. Okay, 5 minus 2 is your 3x. 42 minus 21 is your 21. Now to find the value of x equal to 21. Transfer this 3 that side, it will become divide. 3 7 are 21. X equal to 7. So therefore, the required two numbers are, one number we have taken x, so x value of x is 7, and another number we have taken 5x, so 5 into value of x is your 7. You put 5 7 are 35. So these are the two numbers. Okay, today's last question number 3. Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Find their present ages. That means we have to find the present age of Arjun and Shriya. We don't know what the present age of Arjun and present age of Shriya, but it is given Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. So we'll take let the present age of Shriya be suppose x years. Therefore the present age of Arjun the present age of Arjun, let the present age of Arjun equal to, it is Arjun is twice given, so 2x twice x years. Okay, twice x years. After that 5 years ago given, so you have to find the age of both Arjun and Shriya 5 years ago, like that. 5 years YRS years, 5 years ago the age of the age of Shriya. Shriya was, present age is x, so x minus 5, okay, years, YRS, years, okay, x minus 5 years. Similarly, 5 years ago, the age of Arjun was, present age of Arjun is twice x, so it will be twice x minus 5 years. Okay, now by question part, by question or according to question. It is given 5 years ago his age was three times Shriya's age. His means Arjun's age. So 5 years ago, this is the age of Arjun. 5 years ago, Arjun's age is 3 times of Shriya's age. Ago given, so we will see the 5 years ago what was their age, okay, both of their ages. So 5 years ago Arjun was this much, 5 years ago Shriya was this much. So 5 years ago Arjun is 3 times as Shriya. Now solve it. Twice x minus 5, 3 into x, 3x, plus into minus, 3 5 ja 15. We to solve, we to find the value of x. So x you bring the left side, constant term you transfer to the right side. Twice x, thrice x is plus on the right side. If you bring the left side, it will become minus thrice x equal to, this is minus 15. Constant number minus 5 on the left side. If you transfer to the right, it will become plus. 3 minus 2 is 1x. This is greater, so minus sign. 15 minus 5 is your 10. 15 is greater, so minus. Minus cancel from both the sides. X equal to 10. So x equal to what we got? 10. So we have to find the present age of Arjun and Shriya. Therefore, the present age of Shriya. Present age of Shriya equal to, we have taken x, so value of x is 10, so 10 years, and the present age of Arjun, we have taken twice x, so 2, value of x is 10, 2 10 are 20 years. Okay, this is the last question, huh?